let's start. For thought of the day, I would like to call Swaraj Patsange. Good morning everyone, my name is Swaraj Patsange. I would like to tell you thought of the day. Thought of the day is every day is new opportunity. Thank you.
Loudly.
For importance of the day, I would like to call Anuja Pawar. Good morning everyone, my name is Anuja Pawar. I am from class 2nd A. I would like to tell you importance of the day. Today's importance of the day is National Mathematics Day in India. Thank you. For word of the day, I would like to call Ahil Sheikh. Good morning everyone, my name is Ahil Sheikh. I would like to tell you words. So today's word is vigil, V-I-G-I-L, vigil. Meaning, a period of watchful attention. Thank you. For speech, I would like to call Adira Salve. Good morning everyone, my name is Adira Salve. I would like to tell you speech on my school. My school name is Mount LITERA School. My school is the best school in our city. My school has big playground. My school building is very big. I enjoy going to school every day. I am proud of my school. Thank you. Thank you, Adira. Now, anyone's birthday today?
My name is Daksh Pankaj Biradar and I am 12 years old.